Welcome to this how-to video on migrating and replicating data with NetApp's Cloud Volume Service. Our first step is to create a broker. Here I click on the Sync tab and I click Create Data Broker. I provide a name, then I choose my region. Here I'm going to create the broker in Oregon. I provide my keys. If those keys are accepted, I can then choose the key pair for the instance, which VPC I want to create the broker in, and then choose a subnet. I need to ensure that the user has permissions within AWS to create instances with CloudFormations. I see that the status is initially pending, and this will take several minutes. If I go to the AWS console, we can see the status. Once the broker is created, we can see the details such as VPC, IP address, etc. And if we go to the AWS console, we see that it was created. And we can also see that the instance is running. Now I'm going to choose the volumes to replicate. I click my Volumes tab and I see I've got several volumes. I'm going to replicate the production volume, and I've already got this mounted in a Linux instance. We can see that we have over 3 gigabytes of data and 2,800 files. In the Cloud Volumes UI, I'm going to go to the Sydney region, and I see I have 2 volumes, DR, which is going to be my target. I'm going to ping the IP address of that service, and I see I've got over 136 milliseconds, which is not bad for over 7,000 miles distance. I'll use the show mount command to see the 2 exports, and then I'm going to mount the Sydney export to the same instance. Now we see it do a DF, and we see that we've mounted not only a volume in Oregon, but a one across the other side of the world. And we can see we've got no files in that new volume. Our next step is to create a relationship and sync data. In the DR volume, I click on the Sync tab and click to create a new relationship. I will use this volume as my target. I put the IP address in of my Oregon service and choose Oregon Vol1 as my source export. Then click Create Relationship. We see within a short time that files are being replicated and that we can actually adjust the schedule. Here I'm going to say I want to replicate every hour. Within 2 minutes, we see that we've copied over 500 megabytes. And then a few minutes later, we see we've fully replicated the volume. Now if we go back to our EC2 instance and take a look at the Sydney volume, we see that we've replicated the data and we can see all the files. The NetApp Cloud Volume Service comes with integrated snapshots. I can create a snapshot policy. Here I'm going to create a snapshot every hour to create a recovery point for my DR volume. We can not only replicate based on a schedule, we can replicate at any time. We choose Sync Now here, and we'll do an on-demand replication which will sync all change files since the last replication. We can also replicate locally, not just volumes that are in different regions. So here I'm going to choose the same volume but use that as my source. I'll put the same IP address in as a local service and choose the second volume. Again, I click Create Relationship and I'll replicate data to this local volume. And this shows that I can create multiple relationships that sync to or from that volume. If I was choosing to copy data and migrate it from another source, once I've finished, I can simply delete the relationships. And once all my relationships have been deleted, I can go to the Sync tab and delete the actual broker. I click Delete just to confirm. And once that's happened, I need to also go to the AWS console and delete the instance. In this demonstration, we've seen how to create a broker, create relationships between regions, replicate data locally and globally, and then easily delete the relationships and the broker. Thank you for watching, and to learn more, go to cloud.netapp.com.